video today to show you how to care for your garden. I know during this time a lot of us are looking for things to do at home, and gardening has been like the biggest trending thing right now. Everyone's putting in a garden, some of you for the first time. So I am here at Dietitian in Your Kitchen HQ, Laura's house, and we are going to take care of her lettuce bed. So you can see she doesn't have a huge space. You don't need a huge space to garden. This is right off the porch. We have a nice little lettuce bed about 4 feet by 2 feet. And that's great. You're going to get a lot of lettuce out of this small space. So I'm going to show you what you need to do to keep this bed in tip-top shape to get the best yield out of your lettuce. This is a close-up of the lettuce bed. These lettuces were planted from seed, and they're about 2 inches tall. So they are ready to go to the next stage of their growing. All right, so you will notice they all are pretty closely clumped together. And that's what we don't want. So plants need space. Each individual plant needs about 6 to 8 inches to grow up to its full potential. So we are going to thin our plants today. All right, so I have a ruler. And yeah, 6 to 8 inches apart. So like this guy, he's fine. And then it needs to be about 8 inches to the next plant. So you can see I have a ton of plants in the way of this plant. And this, you guys, this is the tough part, right? Like deciding which plants to kill and which plants to keep. And it seems so like why would you want to do that? Why would you want to get rid of plants that are growing well? Well, it's because all plants will grow well better together if they are spaced apart and they have the space to grow. That way they're not competing for nutrients. So we got to space our plants. Okay, so 6 to 8 inches. If you're not sure how far to space your plants, look on the seed packet that you got. That'll tell you how far apart they need to be spaced. You want to go down to the base of the plant and just snip it off. So, let's see. This is the one I want to keep right here. So I'll separate it from the others. I'll find the other plants. Boop, snip, gone. Now, you could save these little greens if you want. They could make a little baby lettuce salad. Or you can just toss them, whatever you want to do. If you've got a pet, a rabbit, you can feed it to the rabbit. So I'll keep them. Maybe Laura will like them. So there we go. One plant. Oop, no, not one plant. There's another one. Boop, 7. There were 7 plants in a clump. So now we have one lettuce plant all by itself. And you're just going to go down the line and do that with every plant. So there we go. We've gone from a clump to 2 nice healthy plants, 8 inches apart, and these 2 are going to grow up nice and tall. So do that with the rest of your garden bed using your ruler and your scissors, and you will have beautiful lettuce in about 4 weeks. All right, so you can see we have a beautifully cleaned up bed of lettuce. Every plant has space to grow, and after I wash them, I'll have a beautiful handful of baby greens that I can eat tonight for dinner. Thanks so much for watching. Keep following Dietitian in Your Kitchen, and I'll be in touch soon with more gardening tips and cooking tips. Your garden beds, and that mower is really loud. My boobs. Oh, it's all boobs. No, not boobs. Okay, so here is a close-up on our lettuce bed. These lettuce leaves were... Man! Stop! Why are you doing that? Why do you hate life?